What if the internet we use every day could be faster, fairer, and more secure? What if we could build a digital world where trust is not just a promise, but a mathematical certainty? This isn't a distant dream from a science fiction novel. It's the story of a groundbreaking technology and the ambitious journey of a project called Hedera. This is the tale of how a revolutionary idea, born from a desire to overcome the very limits of the digital age, is paving the way for a new internet of value. Our story begins not in a garage, but in the brilliant mind of Dr. Lehman Baird, a computer scientist with a vision that dared to look beyond the horizon of existing technology. In 2017, alongside his co-founder, Mance Harmon, a new chapter in distributed ledger technology was written. This wasn't just another blockchain. It was something entirely different. They called it Hashgraph. This breakthrough was not a minor tweak or a simple upgrade. It was a fundamental reimagining of how a network could achieve consensus. Dr. Baird and Harmon envisioned a digital fabric that could offer unprecedented speed, rock-solid security, and costs so low they would unlock a new wave of innovation. Their vision was not just to build a better blockchain, but to create the trust layer for the entire internet, a platform powerful and fair enough to support the Internet of Transactions. At the heart of Hedera's creation was a direct confrontation with the struggles of first-generation blockchains. The very systems that promised decentralization and freedom were often bogged down by their own limitations. Transaction speeds were painfully slow, sometimes taking minutes or even hours to confirm. The fees required to process these transactions could skyrocket, making small, everyday uses impractical. And as these networks grew, they faced a scalability wall, unable to handle the massive volume of a truly global system. Hedera was conceived as the answer to these challenges. By utilizing the elegant efficiency of the Hashgraph consensus mechanism, it could bypass the slow, energy-intensive mining process that plagued traditional blockchains. This allowed for transactions to be confirmed in mere seconds, not minutes, creating a seamless and efficient experience for users and developers alike. But solving the technical puzzle was only half the battle. To build a truly global and trusted network, Hedera needed a governance model as innovative as its technology. This is where one of its most unique and defining features comes into play: the Hedera Governing Council. Instead of leaving the network's future to a small, anonymous group or the whims of market forces, Hedera is stewarded by a council of up to 39 of the world's most respected and diversified organizations, talking about household names like Google, IBM, Boeing, and LG, alongside major financial institutions and leading universities. These are titans of industry, each bringing their expertise, reputation, and global reach to the table. This council is not merely symbolic. It is the bedrock of the network's stability and integrity. Its members are term-limited and committed to running the initial network nodes, ensuring that no single entity or small group can exert undue influence. This model provides an unparalleled level of transparent and responsible oversight, guaranteeing that Hedera develops in a way that is fair, stable, and serves the long-term interests of its entire ecosystem. It's a bold solution to one of the most persistent challenges in the decentralized world: how to balance decentralization with effective, stable governance. The architecture of Hedera is a masterclass in elegant design, built to be both powerful and accessible. At its core, it is a fully decentralized public network, meaning that anyone, anywhere in the world, can build on it and use its services without asking for permission. This open access is fundamental to its mission of creating a fairer internet. The engine driving this network is the Hashgraph consensus mechanism. Imagine a community where news travels not through a central broadcaster, but through a rapid gossip protocol. Each member quickly tells a few others what they know, and in a flash, everyone is aware of all the information. Hashgraph works in a similar way, with transaction information spreading exponentially fast through the network. This gossip about gossip protocol is then combined with a virtual voting system, where nodes can determine the consensus order of transactions without actually sending votes back and forth. This incredibly efficient process is what allows Hedera to achieve asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance, ABFT, which is mathematically proven to be the highest possible level of security for a distributed system. It means the network is secure, even if some nodes are malicious or offline. Building on this secure and high-performance foundation, Hedera offers a suite of core services designed to empower developers and enterprises. The Hedera Consensus Service (HCS) acts as a trust layer for any application. It allows developers to create verifiable, time-stamped logs of events without needing to run a complex smart contract. Think of it as a decentralized notary, providing an immutable and auditable record of any piece of information, from supply chain tracking to financial settlements. Next is the Hedera Token Service (HTS). This service revolutionizes how digital assets are created and managed. With HTS, anyone can mint and configure both fungible tokens like a stablecoin and non-fungible tokens (NFTs) with just a few lines of code. It's built directly into the ledger, making it incredibly fast, low-cost, and secure, without the vulnerabilities often associated with token smart contracts on other platforms. Finally, the Hedera Smart Contract Service (HSCS) provides robust support for smart contracts. It is fully compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM), which means developers familiar with Ethereum can easily migrate their decentralized applications, dApps, to Hedera and immediately benefit from its superior speed, lower fees, and enhanced security. These three services work in harmony, providing a comprehensive toolkit for building the next generation of decentralized applications. Fueling this entire ecosystem is HBAR, the native cryptocurrency and utility token of the Hedera network. HBAR is not just an investment asset. It is the lifeblood that powers every action and secures the entire platform. Its primary role is to act as fuel for paying transaction fees. Every time a developer uses one of Hedera's services, whether it's logging an event with HCS, minting a token with HTS, or executing a smart contract, a small fee is paid in HBAR. These fees are designed to be low, stable, and predictable, making it feasible for applications with millions of transactions to run on the network. Beyond fees, HBAR is crucial for network security. Through a process known as staking, HBAR holders can delegate their tokens to network nodes, contributing to the system's security and integrity. In return for helping to secure the network, these stakers earn rewards, creating a powerful incentive for long-term participation and alignment with the network's health. Looking towards the future, as the network becomes even more decentralized, HBAR is expected to play an increasingly important role in governance, giving the community a voice in the platform's evolution. The total supply of HBAR is fixed at 50 billion tokens, with a carefully planned allocation designed to foster a vibrant and sustainable ecosystem through token sales, development grants, and community rewards, ensuring the network has the resources to grow and thrive for decades to come. The true measure of any technology's success lies in its adoption, and this is where Hedera's journey truly shines. By focusing on the needs of real-world enterprises, Hedera has attracted an unparalleled level of collaboration from major corporations. Many of these partners are not just using the network, they are active members of the governing council, a testament to the trust they place in Hedera's technology and governance model. This enterprise-first approach has made Hedera the go-to platform for applications that demand reliability, security, and scale. The network's performance is a key driver of this adoption. With the proven ability to handle over 10,000 transactions per second (TPS) and achieve finality in just 3 to 5 seconds, Hedera leaves many other blockchains far behind. This high throughput and low latency make it the ideal infrastructure for a wide range of demanding use cases. From micropayments and real-time gaming to complex supply chain management and asset tokenization, looking ahead, Hedera's ambition is nothing short of revolutionary. It aims to become the foundational trust layer for the entire internet, the underlying infrastructure that will power a new generation of Web3 applications. Its unique combination of performance, security, governance, positions it perfectly to be a leader in the burgeoning fields of decentralized finance (DeFi), global payment systems, and the tokenization of real-world assets. The Hedera journey is more than just the story of a technology. It is a story of vision, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of a better digital future. It represents a bold new direction in our collective quest for a distributed ledger technology that is not only powerful and efficient, but also secure, stable, and fairly governed. From a breakthrough idea to a globally adopted network, Hedera is not just building a platform, is paving the way for a more equitable and transparent Internet of Transactions, one block, or rather one hashgraph event at a time. The journey has just begun, and the world is watching as Hedera builds the future, today.